On our way to Danang for the weekend. So we're at the surfboard shop. Gonna go. My brother's renting a surfboard.
His first time.
First time. He thinks it's super easy.
Man, I bet you I would be crying if I tried
So
it.
we'll see how easy it is.
Because I can't see anything.
Because I've tried it. It's really hard. It's very
Are
tiring.
the waves bigger here or in Costa Rica?
I would say these waves are bigger.
Dang.
There goes Peter, trying to surf. See how he succeeds over here. Paddle harder! Paddle, fool! You're going nowhere! You haven't gone anywhere! You haven't gone anywhere, Peter! I think he gave up. He's coming back.
At least you got a workout.
It's very tiring.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know how surfers do it.
They have to, yeah, they're really athletic.
So we're on our way to meet your second winner in Danang. And she's going to be our tour guide, so let's go meet her. Hi.
Hi, Christine. Nice to meet you.
This
I'm
is
John.
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 This is my brother, Peter.
Peter. Hello, Peter. I'm Nina.
On our food tour with Lena, who won for Danang. She took us down an alleyway on a motorbike, and we're going to Bánh Xèo Bà Dưỡng, which I heard is famous.
It's like literally a tiny little alley where no one is here.
Okay, so here we have a Danang local pancake. So whenever I say pancake, foreigners they will think about a Western pancake.
Right.
Like they eat with honeybee
Yeah,
and
syrup. Yeah.
and banana, but it's not our way. In our way, we eat with this is rice paper made by rice, and inside is shrimp, pork, and bean sprouts. And you don't need to drink soft drink.
Yeah.
Soft drink is
Yeah, because it's refreshing.
yeah.
Oh, that's good.
It's good.
Corn milk. Yeah, it tastes like a straight up corn.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like that. Yeah, yeah. It's tutorial.
Put a little bit pickle. To, if you like the sour
Yes.
flavors, you put
It's like jicama and stuff.
and
Is that
then
papaya?
No, it's probably like jicama or
Oh, yeah.
or daikon maybe. Daikon.
Yeah.
herbs and vegetable is a very important part of Vietnamese cuisine.
Yeah.
Then you put a like the real pork twisted.
It's a meat on a stick.
Yeah.
So you put that in with the bánh xèo luôn?
Yes.
Cuốn. Oh,
Yes.
so you cuốn the nem nướng
Yes.
với cái bánh xèo. I see.
And roll it
So that's
Roll it
like
real
the
tight.
that's like the nem nướng that's like from Bodars,
yeah.
you know?
and dip it. We eat it with the sauce.
Is the sauce like the mắm?
No.
No.
It's like that Bodard sauce.
Oh.
We call it miracle sauce.
Miracle sauce.
Will you
I'm
try?
trying the bánh xèo cuốn vào với nem nướng. So pork sausage with the Vietnamese crepe with shrimp, bean sprout pork, and then wrapped in rice paper and some pickled veg
Okay.
with the miracle sauce.
The miracle sauce. Good.
Nice name.
How is it?
Good.
Good? That's it?
Mm-hmm.
That's it for the viewers? How's the beer?
Good.
How you feel this thing?
Happy.
You guys like it? Hi.
We love it.
Yeah, of course.
Love.
Going down an alley to get out onto the street on the motorbike. Just had some bánh xèo. Hello, GoPro. We just had coffee at Long Cafe, so Dragon Cafe, and now we're riding on the streets of Danang on a motorbike. John's driving. I don't even know if I'm pointing the camera at myself, but I'm trying to hang on to the motorbike so I don't fall off.
Yeah. Oops, sorry.
Alright. So here we are in the most famous junk food store in Danang.
Okay.
Green mango or young mango. So
Is that the one you're supposed to eat with salt?
You put
Sorry?
something on
Are
it.
you supposed to eat that with salt?
So to eat this, we mix all the mango, the sauce, and the dry beef together.
What's in the sauce? Is it like mantou?
No, it's just fish sauce.
Oh, okay.
Fish sauce with sugar and dry beef. Do you want to smell it?
Smells stinky. Really? Like Vietnamese food. Especially when I can't see. Did I get some?
Oh yeah.
Oh, interesting.
How is it?
I've never had anything like it. It's spicy and salty.
Spicy and salty.
And sour.
Yeah, and sour. But mostly I taste spicy and salty first.
So it's sour from the mango? Or
Yes.
papaya. Wait,
No, it's mango. Yeah, I've never
Good
had.
young mango.
This is some jelly.
Jelly, yeah. The drink we have is jelly with coconuts and peanuts.
And peanuts.
Coconut chips and peanuts. So to cook this, they use like this is the fried rice paper. They use the unfried one, and they put pâté on it. They put fried onions on it, and they grill on the oven.
Okay. So they baked it.
Yeah.
Here you go, see?
Dip it or just eat it plain?
Dip it.
Dip it? Dip it sauce?
It looks like it's
Is it gonna
spicy.
fall off if I dip it? Is spread on there? Is it spicy?
No. No.
Kind of.
How is it?
Made pâté, and then there's sweetness. I don't know if it was from the sauce or the onion. And then it has like the rice paper part has like a smoky crunch. I mean, I think the smokiness is because it was baked.
The rice paper, the uncooked rice paper, they put the quail egg off the top of the rice paper, and then they grill it.
Okay.
Then the quail egg cooked by the heat.
By the grill.
It's not really it's not overcooked.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
it's
yeah.
just like right perfect.
Yeah.
Alright, you got it.
You got half of it. Yeah, you fold it like a taco.
How is it?
I like that the quail egg yolk is running.
Yeah.
And then the outside, because they, it has that smoky. It's good.
So it's young people snacks, and it's really good. Highly recommend it. We're totally stealing ideas to bring back to Houston.
Yeah, we don't
It's just amazing shit. Awesome. $4 restaurant, and you get to go and choose your own live seafood, and they'll cook it for you. So we're on our way to go check that out.
I highly
This is
recommend.
crazy shit.
I crabs and shrimp.
Oh, prawns.
Shrimp.
Yeah, those bad boys. Oh, those are razor clams.
There are many kind of clams, but this one is the most famous in Danang.
Is that the blood?
Yip, I don't know. In Vietnamese. So this one.
Trying to escape. Snail. Oh my god, look how big this is. Like, it's like the size of my hand.
Do you want to hold it? You want to take it?
No.
Basically all kinds of live seafood. Crabs, clams, oysters, every type of mussels there is. Okay, so far, what do you think?
Me?
Yeah.
Muy bueno. Riding on the back of that scooter, I just kept cheesing because I was like, man, today is badass. Like, food, not too, like, we didn't eat too much, didn't overeat, but enjoyed different things that I've never had before. And, like, Lena really thought things through because she didn't stop us, like, back to back to back. So,
Yeah.
it's good. This is the perfect way to end the night.